Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. Today I'll be using my Better Length Kinky Curly Clip-Ins. So if this style is something that you guys would like, continue watching. I'm going to begin by parting my hair off. You guys know I suck at parting, but I did the best that I could. So we're parting across the top, and we're making this very narrow. We don't want it to be too thick. And then we're going to part down the middle once we complete this part. Now I'm going to use my Eco Styling Gel to slick my hair up. I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor and Flaxseed. I have plain water in my spray bottle, nothing special. Now I'm just brushing my hair up, and I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail, and I'm going to twist the end just to keep it out of the way. And I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. I'm separating a section of hair so that I can use this to cover up my clip-ins, well, my clips, because we don't want those to show. And I'm just going to braid this little section here, put it into a chunky braid and bobby pin it down just to keep it out of the way. So it should look something like this prior to adding your clip-ins. Adding my clip-ins. I added the 2 longer wefts that had 2 clips first, and then I went on up to 3, and I went up to 4, and I used the clips with 5 on my two ponytails in the top. And I actually had a few left over. So I didn't use all of my clip-ins for this style. Now we're going to begin on our first ponytail, and we're going to start at the base, not like directly at the twister, but right below it, and just wrap that around. And I was pretty much clipping it to itself once I had clipped it to my hair one time. Because I chose not to work my way up. I chose to pretty much focus in the same area so that I would have loose hair to twist. Okay guys, so now I'm untwisting my hair. I feel like it would help it to blend a little bit better. And now I'm just going to make one large chunky twist. The style may start to look a little familiar to you guys if you're an active subscriber. I did do a style similar to this once before, but I did not use clip-ins. I used my Marley hair, and you guys should check that video out too. But yeah, I'm just going to pin this around the back and around the base. And this part is pretty self-explanatory. Just pay close attention so that you guys will know how to place the twist, how to pin it. And yeah.
Where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah.
So guys, our style is pretty much done. I just decided to add 2 additional clip-ins with 2 clips right underneath the leave out because I felt like it needed more blending. It wasn't working for me. But yeah, I hope you guys like this hairstyle. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.